I'm here with the Tourna Mega Tech pedal, the tackiest overgrip ever made. That's what it says on there, and I think that's quite right. Although it's about as tacky as my head Hydrosorb, but it's really tacky. So that's really true. If you like that stickiness to your handle and you want to really grip your racket, I think this one is for you. If you have a problem with sweat and your racket gliding out of your hand during a match, I think this is a really cool option. It's actually one big roll, and then that's 3 in one pack, so you also get 3 of these end points and strips that you can put on there. And just remember to remove the plastic first when you put it on, otherwise you won't get any of the tacky benefits. With something like this, I think that's the whole point, because it's really tacky, it's really grippy, a little bit too much for me, for my taste, but I can understand if you have a problem with the racket that something like this will really help you. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice.